About injection mold tooling. Cost today, let's break it down in a simple way. The cost of an injection mold mainly consists of 3 parts. The proportion may vary depending on the mold type. 1. Mold material cost. This accounts for about 30%, 40%. Standard mold bases like S50C are relatively cost-effective. Custom mold bases can increase the cost by 10% to 20%. For core and cavity steel, common materials include P20, 718H, and S136. Prices can range from a few thousand to tens of thousands RMB per ton. 2. Machining cost. This accounts for about 40% to 60%. For standard CNC milling, cost is around $5 per hour converted. If hardened steel is used, machining time increases, so the cost goes up accordingly. For high precision or 5-axis machining, cost can reach $30–70 per hour. EDM and wire EDM are used for complex cavities or narrow features, usually charged by machining area, around $1.54 per cm². Polishing and assembly are mainly labor-driven. Mirror polishing can cost 50% more than standard polishing. 3. Other costs. This accounts for about 10% to 20%. Design cost depends on mold complexity. Simple molds, $150–700. Complex molds, e.g. automotive bumper, can reach thousands of dollars. Mold trial cost. Each trial consumes material and machine energy, typically $50–200 per trial. Management and profit factories usually add 15%, 30% based on total cost. Conclusion. That's the general cost structure of injection mold tooling. If you want to learn more, feel free to discuss in the comments.